Hey guys, it's Vishan. Today I made a volcano. I glue gunned some rocks, and now I'm gonna make this volcano explode. So first, this is vinegar. This is baking powder. This is a funnel. I'm gonna add this food coloring in. So I'm gonna add 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm gonna shake it a little bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the baking powder. First, a little bit.
What happened?
It exploded. Wait. I'm gonna add some more. Guess it's all out. So now it exploded. I really liked it. I don't think it's gonna come up more. You could try this at home too. You just get a piece of white plate, and then you make some newspaper or some flyers into balls. Paint them black, and then you take some rocks, any rocks, or just pick them from the park if they're a little bit some, and then you glue gun the rocks. So first you take a ball and then you put it, and then you glue gun it to the bottom, and then you take the flags, the black flags, you paint it and you glue gun them, and then you put the rocks on top, and then you take a glass of vinegar, you put red food color, and then you take vinegar, you put it so first you put the vinegar, baking powder in, and then you take the food coloring, put it in the vinegar, and then take the funnel and pour it, and then take the funnel, put it in, and then pour it.
Baking soda. Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Okay. That's it.
And bye.